Hello guys, this is another J.N.B and welcome to my channel Unboxer. Guys, I have came back after a long time and today I'm going to do an unboxing of a very powerful product. And today I'm going to unbox a smartphone. And guess which smartphone it is? Yes, it is Vivo V20 SE. I just got the product on my hand and I've ordered it from QCOOM, and QCOOM is a latest e-commerce platform of Bangladesh, and it has a sufficient amount of products that we need and different kinds of varieties. So if we need different kinds of colors or different kinds of thing, then we can go to their site and easily order it, and from the acknowledgement of the company's owner, Mr. M.D. He have said that their delivery are super fast, and I have experienced that their delivery are super fast, and they are acknowledging that they will ensure all product safety and security very well. And in my experience, it's awesome. Without wasting any time, let's start our unboxing. So guys, here is the Vivo V20 SE, and we have the variant of 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM. So let's open it and see what's in the box are waiting for us. Like the other phones, Vivo had made it so beautiful, and the box as well. You can see the box is so beautiful. So let's open it. Whoa, it's taking so much of time. Let's use two hands. Whoa. Guys, here we have a pouch. And what's in this pouch? Let's see. Whoa. Here's some documentations. This is the SIM ejector tool. And this is a TPU clear case. Whoa, nice quality case, guys. They have provided a nice quality case in this price range. Decent case. Here are some documents from Vivo. Here's a SIM ejector tool. So everything we keep aside and jump into the main box. Whoa, here is the main phone. Guys, okay, we'll talk about it later. So first see what's in here. Here they've given some stickers over here about the IMEI informations, and the thing I like most from the new generation phones, a headphone jack. That means we have a thing to celebrate. There is a headphone jack. There is a 3.5mm jack in the phone. So what's in this? There's a USB type A to type C cable, and here's a brick, a huge 33-watt FlashCharge 2.0, which is Vivo very famous for. So everything we keep aside and jump to the main phone because I can't wait. And here's the phone. Guys, it's so light, you know. When you take it on your hand, and it feels so light. Like when I just saw the video or the main product from the website, they have acknowledged that they have made this product so light and durable. Yes, it's so light. It's 173 gram, and it's so light. In the downside of the phone, we have a lovely 3.5mm jack, what we love to know. And here is a main microphone, and USB type C port, speaker grill. On the right side, we have a power lock and lock button, volume rocker. On the upper side, we have a secondary microphone and a SIM card slot. And the left side is completely clean. So let's see the SIM tray. It feels so big. Yes, that's we all want. 2 nano SIM card slot and one SD card. It can be expanded to 512 GB. So let's keep everything aside and jump to the phone specification. Let's boot it up. So we have this variant of 8 GB RAM and 128 GB of ROM, and we have a Snapdragon 665 octa-core processor, 2.0 GHz, and this phone is running on the FunTouch OS 11, which is based on Android 10, and which can be upgraded soon. And the refresh rate of this phone is quite good. And let's jump to some camera samples which I have clicked from this phone. And these are the camera sample of this phone. And in my first impression, the phone's camera looks very decent. The whole camera is just magnificent, and the selfie camera is also awesome in this price range. Guys, I hope you have liked my video, and this phone I really liked it, and of course you guys will like it too if you can experience it well. And thanks QCOOM for providing us with this amazing product, and I hope this won't disappoint you. So guys, it's time to end now. So till then, take care, bye bye. I'll come with another video. Thank you.